Namaskar, viewers. Welcome to another new episode of Centurion podcast. As always, we have somebody very, very inspiring and inspirational with us for this episode, and he is none other than Dr. Satyasis Mishra, professor of Department of ECE and the Dean of Sustainable Development Goals. Sir, namaskar. Thank you so much for joining us
Namaskar,
today.
ma'am. Namaskar. Thank you.
Sir, for a lot of people that I know, especially, Centurion University is just an educational university. But for the people working on the inside or the ones who know Centurion a little better, they know that it is so much more than just an educational institute. Please tell us a little more about Centurion University. I am sure, sir, it is treasures which has led us to winning so many awards. बहुत सारे rankings recently university को मिले छी. And we'd like to start with Pollinators Paradise, sir.
Yeah, thank you, ma'am. So you told that Centurion University is just an university. It is not just more than
For
a institute.
for some
Yeah,
people.
for some people it is there. But they should know it is the number one university in India.
Number one skill university.
One in skill university in India, where we are imparting skills to the people. To be very frank and honest, my journey here since last 15 years I am here. 16. This is my 17th year. It is going on.
17 years.
17 years we are going on. I have seen there are so many barren lands out there, and nothing was there. I mean to say, because there are so many barren lands are there, as well as there is no tree, completely mud, everything is there. Now you see the transformation we made, barren land to greenery. Nowadays you will find everywhere it is green. Now it is winter, you can see that it is very, very fantastic flowers blooming all around. People are coming and enjoying. I have seen the transformation. The new people, those who are joining now, the students, those are coming now, they know, yes, university has so many things to excel over here. But the thing is that people, outsiders may say anything. So we have done MOU with South African University, then Philippines we have done it. Then they asked me, Dr. Mishra, what about your university and how it is, how it looks like? Then I told, sir, seeing is believing. What not we have, man? You start from the beginning and from the transformer unit. Then you go for the paper unit. Where any university, have you ever seen that any university is having this type of concept where students will come, do their experiment, they will learn how to make design, how to do design, how to make a transformer, each and every, from starting from the winding designing to manufacturing, testing, oil testing, everything, all packages over here. I'm giving you one example. This is all about the technical part of it. And another thing is that there are, if you are in civil department, you go for the power units. And we have so much of softwares, like we have desert system softwares are there, BIM. So many things are there. We have apparel unit. A complete diversity is there. I wanted to tell the people, don't think about university. It is only a university. It is just an university, just above an institution. But come, see, and fall in love with Centurion University. I wanted to work with the people. So this is my thing. Another question you asked me about the pollinator paradise.
Yeah, because the first time I visited the campus, that is the first thing I fell in love with. So that is why my first question to you was about pollinators.
Yes, madam. Pollinators paradise. It is very new concept. Is the concept I should give credit to our president, sir, because he thought about the concept, and today I proudly say that concept got the award as a Green Gown Award. And you know the Green Gown Award we got?
The most coveted
The
green
over Green Gown Award. The competitors are so many throughout the world.
If you could tell us a little more about, like the green
Yeah, I'll tell you. I'm coming to that. I'll tell you the pollinators paradise. What is there inside and how we got the award. I'll tell you. So we have started this one, this Green Gown Award part. I talked with Vice Chancellor ma'am, and we have started that. Shall we proceed for that? Then she told, yes, you proceed, and lots of help she has done to me and my team, and we have started. Then the concept we have done, that pollinators paradise. a research hub, a diversity research hub. The title we have given that. And we explained what we have. Mainly diversity is there. If you go to Pollinator's Paradise, you'll find it is butterfly unit is there, bee unit is there. Then pollinations, that there are so many flowers, orchid, cactus, so many things are present over there. One by one you go, there are so many. Each and every pollinator, each and every entity of that pollinator's paradise is giving importance, giving so many. I mean to say, they are giving, they're contributing to the ecosystem. We have squirrel cages. We have 5,000 plus squirrel cages are there. We are thinking, oh, they are taking, they are eating our plants and everything, our flowers, everything. But sir told that you go for that. You go, what we have, that how they are contributing to the ecosystem and the nature. Because the category of green gown award is the nature positive, and we got for the nature positive this award. And by that way we started, and the good comments also we given, and that award given to us because of our thought. And there is a domain course called this Pollinators Paradise.
Oh, wow.
Domain is there. All the students are taking domains for that. And you will be surprised, and you will feel proud that 5 NCVT approved courses are running under Pollinators Paradise. 5. Government of India, that NSQC, from the NSQC, from the NCVT, it is approved, and it is all there in the NQR register. Now students are taking all the courses. What students are getting? They are getting the degree as well as this NSDC certificates. NCVT certificates they are getting. All skill certificates as well as their credit they are giving. They're both way they are getting benefit out of it.
Right.
So for that, because we have mentioned there that we have developed 5 courses for out of this Pollinators Paradise, and they have given this, and they told for the next time we got the award as second. As means we come to the position of the second. There are finalists. There are 10 countries are there. You know that only one university from India. There is no second university who is competing with the 10 other foreign universities. And we achieved the second position. And I proudly say that, I am proud of to what we have and about the Centurion. And I'm telling the people, please come, visit, see, and fall in love with the nature.
Right. So that brings me to one of the most talked about rankings that Centurion had achieved in recent past. That is the SDG rankings. So I think it was all over the media. It was all over social media, digital networks, and everything. And Centurion heaved a lot of praises for that as well. Please start by telling us what is SDG exactly, and how did we manage to secure those rankings for our university?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you very much for this question. And so I forgot one thing to tell, that under that category, that there is also skill category was there.
Right.
The Green Gun Award skill category is there. And for our skill category, we are at the finalists.
Okay.
We are also finalists over there.
Lovely.
That we got, and in the world basis also we are finalists. So this time we are going to give much impact. So we'll try better way so that we'll get it. And the SDG, now come to the question of SDG. It is Sustainable Development Goal. It has, so 17 SDGs are there. That 17 SDGs are fitting to the Centurion University, fits to all the SDGs. If you go one by one, then you will find. So let me start with the last one. This is the 17, and the partnership for the goals. And also in the worldwide, our rank is 300 to 400. Our rank globally, and 10th in India. We achieved 10th position in India. This is one thing. And there are so many. And another thing also, we are 58th globally for the zero hunger, this second one. And 4th position in India. So SDG, so to start with, this SDG process, it has started from 2020, not new. It is not new. So day by day, we are achieving and targeting, we are achieving the targets and we are reaching to the point. Day by day, we are improving. Previously, it was 600 to 800. First 800 to 1000, then 600 to 800, then 500 to 600. Now it is 300 to 400. And next time, we are going to within the 100. So this is our target and we are going to reach it. So there are 169 indicators are there. We are writing reports for that. Each and every 17 SDGs. 17 SDGs, each and every SDG is having different questions. Like one question is how your students are participating in community outreach. There is a question. Gender equality, SDG 5. How your university is doing the gender equality. One example, simple example I wanted to give. We are having uniform now. First, we are making equal to all people. Boys, girls, all are equal. And this is one thing. Another one, if you say that zero hunger and no poverty, what we are doing there, SDG 1 and 2, it is there. So, you know the one thing that we are giving free food to the gardeners, to the drivers. All the people, the fourth grade employees, they are getting food freely. Breakfast and lunch. Because dinner is not possible here. They all are getting. So by that what they are saving complete their salary, no?
That's true.
And also in our university you will find that there is a question that how you are helping your student, how many people are getting scholarship. Last year we have given 4,920 students got the scholarship. And with the only one university, we are at the aspirational districts of Odisha. And we are the university who is taking less fees from the students. If you compare all the universities in the India, it is only one university who is taking less fees from the students. Even though when some students are coming that we have no money but they are good in study, Vice Chancellor is waiving their fees. There are so many examples are there. So these are the sort of questions they are asking by the SDG indicators. These are the questions are there.
So how many rankings did we achieve in 17?
We achieved in all 17 we achieved. So actually not 17. So we have not applied for SDG 6 and SDG 13 that is climate resilient and SDG 16 that is peace and justice because we are not comfortable with that. So nowadays this year we have started applying that this year we are going to apply for the climate resilience that SDG 13 and SDG 16 also as directed by Chancellor Madam. So we are going to do that.
So belated congratulations on the SDG rankings, I'd rather say. So apart from this, what other laurels, what other accomplishments does the
Yes,
university?
other accomplishments. So for the first time we achieved the World University Ranking 2026.
Okay.
World University Ranking. So we are 98th in India and 1500 in throughout the world. And you know there are 911 11 universities have participated and we achieved the goals. Next, ISR ranking, interdisciplinary science ranking. So we are the 24th in India right now, in the 26th. Next we will go for the second or first like this. Because we are trying, because for the first time we are getting that World University ranking. Last year we got only for the first time. So this year we are also trying to get it. And another thing I want to tell you, SDG 8, how it is related to SDG 8. In aspirational districts, so we have developed our campuses in Parlakemundi, Bollangi, Raigoda. These are the peoples. So there, we have created lots of jobs for the people. Through construction, people are coming. They are getting jobs because construction is going on. Lab assistants, then gardeners. So all local peoples are employed over there. Where previously there was nothing is there. No employment was there. Now we have developed employment. And through skill base, 850,000 students are trained through our skill ecosystem. And we have completely transformed transformed the lives of the people from the poor to a level.
Like
We
the
have done
tagline
it.
goes for
Yes, we have
Centurion, it's
saving lives
shaping
and
lives.
empowering community. Mainly, we are empowering communities anywhere you go. So that is why I can tell everyone to come and visit and see and check what is going on, what domains are there. There are so many things are available. Any student wants to do, so I wanted to do on robotics, he can do robotics. I wanted to do, suppose someone is in science, physics, he wanted to do an AI ML, he can do. It is choice-based credit system. Anything he can do. On his choice, he can do it. It is not that it is department-centric. I am from electronics and communication engineering. I cannot say any student that you take the papers or you take the course what we are offering. No. He has to choose what he has to take. It is completely free. I told you, it is diversity. It has the Centurion University has diversity through nature, through skill ecosystem, through domains. Everywhere you will find the diversity. And
Right.
this is the best university of India, I mean to say.
Here, this brings me to a question. So many rankings, so many awards and recognition. So all these recognitions that are brought about for the university, how does this impact the students positively? I'm sure that would be a feel-good factor for them. But now, since you are a faculty here, you would also know it a little better. So how does that leave an impact or an impression on the students?
Students should proud about the university where they are studying. Number one. Second thing is that the students are telling in outside. I know that when they are having friends from different university and all those things, they are telling that friends. They are talking each other and our university grabs this award, that award. They are telling all this. And mainly they are talking about the way Centurion is teaching, the way Centurion is imparting the skill courses.
What is different about the way Centurion imparts the skill courses?
Skill-
Because undoubtedly it is the number one skill university of India. But how is the imparting of the education, the skill education, different here?
It is only one mantra is there, madam, that is hands-on skills, hands-on practice. If you go to transformer unit, I am giving an example. Suppose students have chosen one skill courses on transformer testing or transformer manufacturing, everything. So what he will understand there? He will go there, he will see the transformer. The first some theory part, 10%, 20% will say the theory. The theory is like this. Then directly you will go for the winding, how the people are making. You will see what is the dimension of wires, what is the dimension of plates, everything you will see. And what is the oil testing, what is the strength of oil, you will see. All the courses are designed in such a way so that they'll be entrepreneur. That's all. Because when they know that enterprise, like when they know about the product, then what is the value of product? Is there any market for that? They can do their own business outside. Because I'm telling you, because a student wanted to do a job, he can go for with that skill. Nowadays, people are getting his skill. It is not that I am having career first class and I am having 90% of marks, I'll get a job. No. It is completely stopped by the government. Not government, by the companies. If you are having skill, you are having hands-on practice, you will get a job. Very simple, man. So we are giving the students. So it has started. It is not now that NEP, NEP 2020. You know that they have adopted our model, which our visionary president, vice chancellor, they have started from 2010 itself. Now 20 they have taken. Before 10 years, 15 years, we have started, and now people are following us.
Right. So,
That is
indeed,
the thing, man.
Centurion has become a trendsetter. So, I think the discussion about the SDGs, the ISR awards, and the Green Gown awards really, really has been eye-opening for our viewers today. And I'm sure students take a lot of pride, the faculties take a lot of pride. And we really wish a very, very bright future for Centurion in terms of these awards recognitions.
And one thing I wanted to just mention about the research, I forgot about this. So because the research plays important part in rankings.
Okay.
Research. So we are having now 700, 800, 785 journal papers, good quality papers, so that we are getting the rankings. So I should not forget about to mention about this. So
Definitely.
good research, good. Yes, so it is another part I told you about the skill ecosystem, and this another part is that it is research. If anybody wants to do or the PhD, they can come because all labs are available. We are having labs. It is not that we have labs. We are having world-class labs. Any student can come and do this. I am doing the work. I'm working with the foreign students. I am having PhD students over there or MSc students over there. I am telling they are interested to come and see our labs, and they wanted to come and see and sit for 5 months. They wanted to work here.
That's absolutely wonderful. So, once again, thank you so much, Dr. Mishra, for joining us today. It was very, very informative to know about all the recognition and the rankings that Centurion University has grabbed so far. Thank you for enlightening our viewers about all the achievements of Centurion University. And once again, thank you for finding time and joining us today. Thank you.
Thank you, man.
Thank you.
Namaskar.
Thank you.
Namaskar.